Hello everybody. In this video I show you how to plank. Let's start with sanding, firstly 320 and then 600. The first plank, the garboard, shall be inserted into the rabbet between the keel and the frames. Some frames have the teeth for the clinker. If they mess the correct assembly, they can be worked out. I glue the planks with an iron. In order to well glue the planks to the frames, I apply on frames a layer of glue, let it dry. In this way I avoid the risk that frames could move after the assembly of all the planks. The small teeth on the guide frames are a little bit higher than needed, so the plank does not perfectly fit the frame. Therefore I correct the shape of the tooth one by one, not affecting the following ones, that will be worked out during the following plank assemblies. The body is clinker and the planks shall be glued one on the other, so that to eliminate fissures between the planks. 1 mm of glue shall be applied. Take care not to overdo, because when it dries it will be difficult to remove the smear. After planking, the hull shall be pulled out from the template. The false frames shall be broken gently and with attention. Here I have already glued the beam and the knees of the stern thwart. The removal of the laser burnings may result in a lowering of the plank measures, and when you reach the upper edge it may happen that you don't match the reference line on the stem. On the left side I made a small addition on the lower edge because I had already glued, while on the right side the addition has been done on the upper edge, because I knew that I should have had such mismatch. I glued the addition before assembling the last plank on the template. Then I assembled the kelson, the bottom boards and grids. Then I finished with a floor product, which contains oil and wax. I preferred not to use just oil, even if this product is more difficult to be applied, but the result is good. Here on the left you can see the difference before and after. Here we have the final result. Oil has been absorbed and the wax closes pores. After applying the product, it is necessary to polish with a cloth to remove the excess before that wax dries out. I prepared the kelson with the base for the stanchions, bottom boards, and I fitted the rings. Kelson and bottom boards are glued with vinyl, while grids are fixed with cyanoacrylate. In the next video I show you the assembly of thwarts and other details.